Nadine Lustres' big dream role, maging psychopath.
Ngayon po kasi I'm at a point na gusto kong mag-explore sa different genres and I want to do more challenging roles. So, and I always say this, parang gusto ko talaga ng role na nakakatawa kasi may nabasa po akong article na ang headline is Nadine ayaw na mag-love team, gusto maging psychopath. So, ayun. Ayun naman po yung lagi kong sinasabi. Kasi it is very interesting, you know, like, doing a role of a psychopath or of a killer or someone who is deranged. Just trying to figure out how this person's mind works. Ako po kasi mahilig ako sa mga ganong intricate details and yung pinag-aaralan yung mga tao. Personally, I really like watching yung mga documentaries, crime documentaries. Alam niyo naman po, mahilig ako sa horror and thriller movies, mga psychological thrillers. So, gusto ko pang mag-dive into that. And so far naman po, all of the projects, or at least I guess the direction that I'm taking is papunta naman po talaga doon.
Nadine even shared na marami siyang kaparehas na ugali sa kanyang karakter na si Stella sa Road Killers.
She's, I guess she's really, in a sense, ako rin gagawin ko din lahat para sa pamilya ko, but not up to that extent. I also love na si Stacy, like, ano siya, sorry for the word, but no BS siya. So that's also the kind of person that I am. She's as in dead ma siya, like wala siyang pakialam sa sarili niya, kahit magmukha siyang madungis or anything. At some point I'm also like that. I'm very simple. Like ngayon lang I'm very different because you know, pag work mode iba talaga, pero on a normal day kasi as in sobrang relax lang ako. She's very boyish then, just the same as me. And I guess her love for just being that, I guess not necessarily a daddy's girl, a family person, but how she was brought up kasi, you know, yung environment kasi niya, yung dad niya like handles guns, you know, he's a mechanic. So I guess medyo similar yung wala namang guns nung lumaki ako. Cars lang. So ano ba, hindi brusque, I don't know the word. Pero very cowboy. So yun yung mga nakarelate ako kay Stacy.
Follow poplife.ph because you can't miss out.